Game On, Transforming Learning with Kahoot. Kahoot is a game-based learning platform designed to make learning fun and engaging for people of all ages. Kahoot is trusted by over 8 million educators worldwide and has engaged more than 10 billion participants globally since its launch. The platform is used in over 200 countries and regions to facilitate dynamic and effective learning experiences. A Kahoot is a game in which players must answer a series of multiple-choice questions, each with a limited time period. At the end of the game, the player with the most correct answers in the quickest time is declared the winner. Kahoot can be used for reviewing knowledge, formative assessments, or just for fun. Engagement. Kahoot increases participation and makes learning playful. Assessment. Teachers can use Kahoot to assess understanding at the end of the lesson or introduce new topics. Versatility. Works in person, virtually, or in hybrid settings. How it works. You can create a Kahoot from scratch, use a question bank to mix and match existing questions, edit templates, and customize Kahoots made by others. Kahoot supports various question types, including multiple choice, polls, word clouds, and slides for presenting information. This variety helps keep students engaged and allows for different kinds of learning activities. Creating your first Kahoot is easy. First, click on Create Kahoot button and get started with your first quiz. Now you will be flooded with questions. Choose how you want to create your quiz. You can either generate a quiz based on the topic with Kahoot Assistant or use any templates available. You can choose to format the quiz before or after you add the questions. First, click on Themes, go to Question Types, and choose what you want. I have chosen a quiz here. Then name your quiz something interesting by clicking on the Enter Kahoot title text box at the top left corner. You can add as many questions as you like, however, some of the question types are restricted to paid plans only. You must provide 4 options in each of the text boxes and select the right answer by checking the circle next to each choice. There is an image option in the middle of each question where you can insert images that apply to the question. Once you are satisfied with your creation, hit the Save button in the top right corner of your screen. There is a variety of presentation modes, which include live game mode, solo mode, study mode, team mode, and special game mode. Hosting a live Kahoot means a quiz or game is in real time. Participants join using their own devices and answer questions as you present them. Teacher is the game show host and guides the session and shares the question. You can host live Kahoots in person, a classroom, meeting room, or event, remotely using a video conferencing, live streaming, directly from the Kahoot app. In solo mode, you play by yourself for practice using features like flashcards, learn, and chill art solo mode. Study modes are self-paced study options such as flashcards, learn, test yourself, and study groups available in Kahoot. Team mode, players can join as teams, either sharing a device or using their own. Special games include themed modes like Treasure Trove, Color Kingdoms, and others that had unique games and elements. Other features. Progress tracking and analytics is where teachers and trainers can track students' progress and analyze results to identify areas where learners may need support. You can add a high-quality image, videos, and audio to your Kahoots, making the learning experience more visually appealing and attractive. Kahoot incorporates game elements such as points, leaders boards, and ghost features, which let students play against their previous high scores to encourage improvement and repeated practice. Users can collaborate with colleagues to create Kahoots and share them with Kahoot community, expanding access to a wide range of ready-made resources. To join a Kahoot, get the game pin from the host, go to kahoot.it or open the Kahoot app. Enter the pin and choose a nickname. Wait for the host to start, then answer the questions as they appear. This is the conclusion of my presentation. Are you ready to transform learning with Kahoot? Game on. Thank you.